Hello, myself Dr. Kailash, consulting dermatologist, Clear Skin and Hair Reach Center, Kurnool. Today I am going to discuss about all the causes of hair loss, types of hair loss, and how to diagnose, that is tests performed to know the cause of hair loss, and treatments regarding hair loss, that is medical treatment, interventional therapy and surgical part. In brief, nowadays hair fall is a very common problem in both men and women. Almost all of us suffer from hair loss at some point in our life. Hair loss occurs 70 to 90% in men and 40 to 60% in women. Hair loss can affect scalp or it can affect whole body. Hair loss can be temporary or long lasting based on its identification, cause and treatment. Moreover, the hair loss that was first temporary may become permanent as a result of incorrect diagnosis, care and treatment. Although hair loss doesn't cause any threat to your life or health, but hair loss is a major concern for each and every individual as it affects one's lifestyle and has a major impact on self-confidence. Causes of hair loss. The medical term for hair loss is called alopecia. There are different causes of hair loss. One is the aging as a natural process. Second is genetics, that is hereditary. The most common cause of hair loss affecting male or female called as pattern hair loss or pattern baldness. If you have a family history or your close relative have hair loss or thinning of hair, you are likely to suffer from hair loss. It usually occurs gradually with aging. Hormonal imbalance in females during pregnancy, childbirth, menopause and thyroid problems. Excessive stress could be physical or emotional. This type of hair loss is usually temporary. Three types of hair loss occurs due to stress are telogen effluvium, trichotillomania and alopecia areata. Now, nutritional cause of hair loss. Unhealthy or nutritionally deficient diet like iron, folic acid and B vitamins leads to hair loss. Environmental factors such as hard water or chemically treated water, air pollution and smoke, sun exposure and heat. Prolonged exposure to these factors damages the hair protein structure and cause dry, brittle hair. Lifestyle changes such as smoking, chemicals, excessive or prolonged use of hair shampoos, conditioners and hair styling products can cause hair loss. And certain hairstyles treatments such as curling iron, hot rollers, twisting, burns or ponytails can cause hair loss. Chronic illness and infection, high degree fever, typhoid, jaundice for longer periods and viral diseases etc. affects your immune system leading to loss and thinning of hair. Fungal infection of the scalp also causes hair loss but it is localized. Medical problems such as thyroid, PCOD and so on. Medications such as birth control pills, antidepressant or chemotherapy and treatments such as radiation to the head can cause hair loss. And the last and important is even dandruff. Dandruff can cause itching leading to inflammatory scaly scalp resulting in hair loss. Hence, it is important to identify the root cause of your hair loss problem and to correct in time. Types of hair loss could be scarring or non-scarring. In general, scarring hair loss is permanent hair loss, though rarely seen. Scarring hair loss could be primary or secondary. Primary alopecia arises from the process that originates from the hair follicles, whereas the secondary scarring alopecia is due to all other causes of underlying scalp involvement. Non-scarring hair loss, which we commonly come across, and they are of three types. One is androgenetic alopecia, that is male or female pattern hair loss, is a typical pattern wherein the permanent hair loss from the scalp causing baldness. However, in men, hair often begins to recede from the forehead in a line that resembles the letter M. And in women, typically the hair thins out throughout the top of the scalp and leaving the frontal hairline intact. Diffuse hair loss is other than pattern hair loss. Could be because of hormonal disturbance or telogen effluent, anagen effluent and so on. Patchy hair loss, also called as alopecia areata. There is a sudden hair loss that may start as a circular or coin-sized patches on the head or the face. Some other conditions include telogen effluent, anagen effluent, alopecia areata, traction alopecia and trichotillomania.